of life blow through me now. One breath, one blessing, one heart. Walking on the edge, couldn't catch my breath. Each sunrise felt like a test, yeah. Every breath was fighting me. Please, just one more chance, set my spirit free. Then came a gift from a stranger's whānau, a koha of life, true aroha. Now I breathe with two hearts, yours and mine, two spirits dancing on the same lifeline. Now I breathe, sing my song again. Whānau blowing in the wind. Through kindness I rise again. This is the meaning of Māoritanga. Now I breathe, walk the land again. The Māori flowing through my skin. I give thanks to you and all your kin for this life that begins again. Yeah. Doctor said, you're better now, eh? They say it's just medicine, but I know it's more. It's the spirit of sharing the mighty way. Koha from the heart, that's how we're made. I look to the sky, give karakia to honor the life carried in here. No part of us ever truly dies. We live on through love and the breath that ties. Now I breathe, sing my song again. Whānau blowing in the wind. Through kindness I rise again. This is the meaning of Māoritanga. Now I breathe, walk the land again. The Māori flowing through my skin. I give thanks to you and all your kin for this life that begins again. Oh, for this life that begins again. Your breath lives on within my sound. Now I breathe, sing my song again. Whānau blowing in the wind. Through kindness I rise again. This is the meaning of my